Welcome to qnawire.
You can tell what the period of this function is going to be when it starts repeating. So notice that at 0, 4.4, an output of 4.4 happens again 12 seconds later, and then again at 24 seconds later, and all the corresponding values start repeating. So the period would be 12 seconds. The midline would be the difference between the max and the min. So the smallest values are the 4.4 and the highest are 7.1. So 7.1 minus 4.4, that would be the range, and the midline would be halfway. So 7.1 minus 4.4 is 2.7 over 2 is 1.35. So we'd say that the value of the midline is 1.35 feet. Well, then we have to add back the minimum. It's 1.35 feet. Well, it really would just be the average of the two. So let's do it that way. That actually is an easier way to think about it. The midline is the average of the max and min. So add the two together and take half. And 7.1 plus 4.4 divided by 2 is 5.75. And that would be 5.75 feet. The amplitude is what we're going up and down. So if that's the midline, if we subtract, we got to figure out what are we subtracting by to get 4.4, for instance, or what are we adding to get 7.1? Well, 7.1 minus 5.75 is 1.35, and 5.75 minus 1.35 is also 4.4. And so we would say 1.35 is the amplitude.